Go.
I'm trying to make it go. I'm pushing these buttons. Now I got it messed up and won't go.
Go. You go.
Mom's got to push the buttons where it needs to go. You pushed them around.
On. No, leave that on. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Turn your wheel.
Turn your wheel. There you go. Now go. Turn the other way. There you go. That's pretty good driving there, Junior.
Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel.
Turn your wheel.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, we turn around.
Go.
Ready? Go. Go. Give gas.
Go. You better watch where you're going. Do you like it? Do you like it? Here, let me take your picture. Whoa. I'm getting run over.